Now we're going to look at section 2 of our toolbars. This is located at the top of our screen towards the left. Here you'll be able to find options to change the look and feel of your chart. So we have a profile icon, a search icon that you can use to change the assets displayed on your chart. You can also choose between different charts such as line graphs and candlesticks, area graphs and more, and you'll also be able to add indicators and strategies onto your chart as well as alerts. So let's explore some of these features, starting off with our profile. If you select this icon, you'll be able to see the name of your profile, what current account that you have with TradingView. So as you guys already know, we signed up for a pro plan, and you can explore and go to your profile settings, account and billing, and refer friends, and you've got coins here. So if I select got it on here, you can see that we have home, a help center, what's new, and here you can toggle this on and off. This is for dark mode. Personally, I prefer dark mode. I like how when TradingView changed their logo, they also made the default interface for TradingView to be dark mode, because that's what I prefer and that's what I've always used. However, if you prefer it to be a white screen, this is how you can actually change it. So if you toggle this off, then that will change the interface of your TradingView platform, and you will see the older version of TradingView. The default was like this, and personally I prefer dark mode, so I'm just going to switch that back on. So this is where you can change it, and below that we've got drawing panel. So if you want the drawing panel that's on the left hand side not to be shown, you just toggle this off, and anytime you need to use the drawing panel, you can just come up here and switch it back on. I personally leave it on because it doesn't take too much space, and you can change the language on here.